What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you an easy way to tie a clove hitch and a munter, not to confuse the two. So first off, we're going to start with that clove hitch. Make a bunny ears. Notice this strand's on top and this strand's on bottom. Cross them over one another and you have yourself a nice beautiful clove hitch. My rope is twisted, there you go. See it there? So now you can just pass that into your carabiner and you don't have to fiddle around with looping the rope through the carabiner like you would normally. There you go. All right, now that it's dressed, it's holding. Now for the munter. Same bunny ears. See these bunny ears? One on top, one on bottom. Now close it like this. And again, grab it with your carabiner, and now you have a munter. A quick way to verify that your munter is working is see if it will flip and be two-directional. It's one of the really cool features of a munter is the knot flips over and it becomes a friction hitch in either direction. Remember, it's really important to practice these two because the functionality of each is very different. A clove hitch is used for securing the end, where a munter you would need to tie some sort of overhand or a mule hitch to back it up so that it doesn't slide. I'm going to show you again the clove hitch and the difference between that and a munter. So remember, you got your two loops, cross over in the middle like this, going nice and slow. That's how you get that clove hitch. Should look just like that. Pass it into your carabiner. Now snug it up tight. The rope will kind of want to roll it first until it's tightened down. But notice once you have it, it should really not move at all. Whereas a very similar looking knot, your munter, can be used for belaying or rappelling, and it does move. It also can flip, so you can go in either direction, and it is the same either way. One's just upside down in the other. Now it looks kind of weird. You gotta dress it up once you flip it, but it will work in either direction.